As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at these two propane grills, the Charbroil Classic 2-burner and the Weber Q1000. Which one do you think is better?
Interesting choices. They both have their strengths. The Charbroil is definitely bigger, right? Like 280 square inches of cooking space compared to the Weber's 189.
Yeah, that's a big difference. Plus, the Charbroil has a side burner, which is super handy for sauces or sides. The Weber doesn't have that.
True, but the Weber is much more portable. It's lighter, only 27.5 pounds, versus the Charbroil's 37.5 pounds. And the dimensions are smaller too, making it easier to take camping or tailgating.
Good point. I guess it depends on whether I need portability or more cooking space. What about the burners? The Charbroil boasts 20,000 BTUs across 2 burners, while the Weber has 8,500 BTU in a single burner.
Right. More BTUs usually means faster heating and higher temps, but it's not always a perfect indicator. The Weber is known for its efficient design and ability to get pretty hot despite the lower BTU.
And what about the grates? I see the Charbroil has porcelain-coated wire grates, and the Weber has porcelain-enameled cast iron.
Cast iron is generally better for heat retention and searing, so the Weber might have an edge there. However, porcelain-coated wire is lighter and easier to clean.
Okay, so Weber wins on portability and grate quality, but Charbroil has size and a side burner. What about build quality and durability?
Weber generally has a better reputation for build quality. The Charbroil is good for the price, but the Weber is likely to last longer. And the Weber comes fully assembled. That's worth something.
Good to know. Price-wise, they're pretty close, right around $230. So it really comes down to my needs.
Exactly. If you need a large cooking area and a side burner, and don't move it much, the Charbroil. If you want something portable and durable, the Weber is the better choice.
Thanks. That really helps clear things up. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.